Hey guys, I'm about to go to Blake's and he's gonna do a video with me. So go to his channel. I'll be in there. And I'll do a video with him, like switchable stuff. So yeah, just got home from school. I'm gonna go to his house. And yeah, if y'all subscribe, good job. So and yeah. Oh yeah, I have to ask y'all something. If y'all wanna ask me questions or tell me to say something in my YouTube channel, put it down in the comments below, and then I'll make this new series called Ask Me. Bow, bow, wow, wow. Okay, so yeah, y'all go put the comments down below. I'll write them down, and I'll answer y'all guys' questions and fix myself. So, oh yeah, Dale the Nathan. Yeah. Starting in September 16th. My birthday. Woo! So yeah, I'll be seeing y'all guys later. And yeah, that's it. Wait.